Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Jason Rodriguez from Investor Secrets Unlocked. And so we put out these YouTube videos, and in the comments, we get a lot of comments, and I ask for your feedback. Hey, what do you want to learn? What are some questions that you have? So I got a bunch of questions, and I figured I'll just answer some of them. So one of the questions that we have is, how effective is driving for dollars, and how does it work, right? So driving for dollars. So what driving for dollars is, you getting into your car, driving around an area that you would want to buy properties, and kind of going down every block per se, and looking for houses that might have tall grass, that might look like somebody would want to sell it. Maybe it's in disrepair. Usually it's some kind of disrepair, overgrown, something going on with the property. You know, every house looks the same, and then boom, here's an ugly duckling. So that's what driving for dollars is. So before I answer that question, as driving for dollars work, in my opinion, my thought is that there's a lot of different marketing strategies, and a lot of them work. So asking, does it work, is a loaded question, meaning it can work, but what is that? Like, you might have to work, drive for 3, 4, 5, 6 days and get no deal. But then on day 7th, you get a deal. So it's volume, of how much volume, and then what are you going to do on the back end to make sure that it works? But in answering this question, does it work? If you have very little to no money, which is a strategy, the driving dollars is usually somebody has more time and not much money. So the time that they have is they'll drive in the car. So it does work, right? But I will gauge it from 0 to 10 on effectiveness. Driving for dollars. If you're very strategic about driving for dollars and pick the right areas on where you are more likely to find houses that are in distress, you're gonna have a better result. Like, don't drive luxury neighborhoods and looking for that kind of a house. You're just probably not gonna have it, that level of success. So just pick those areas that would have more houses for sale that would be in distress. That would be my recommendation. From 0 to 10, I would rate this probably 10 being like, boom, absolutely is gonna happen, marketing strategy. This might be a 5 or 6, and just because it's time intense and there's a lot of legwork behind it. But I can tell you this piece here. I have a few clients, coaching clients, that they have just done this as their primary, and it has worked. And when I say it worked, in their first 3 to 4 months of knowing barely anything of real estate, they started doing driving for dollars, and they made over $100,000. Just driving for dollars. That was the only marketing strategy. But I will come and say, I'm thinking of one specifically, and she was very diligent. She went out. This was her real part of her business. So if you're gonna treat it like that, then yeah, you'll find some great deals. And she did homework where she wanted to buy, and sure enough, when she found a seller, they put some deals together, and she did it quite a few times. Just driving for dollars, that one deal was over 100 grand. She's probably done $200,000 or $300,000. So that's my thought on driving for dollars. Let me know your thought. What's your comment behind it? Tell me what you think about driving for dollars. Put it in the comments. Talk to you later. Your boy Jason Rodriguez.